like it is Don having an issue out there on course.
Red flags.
Very little seat time behind the car. Of course, Lawrence likes to tinker with things. So looks like Sean will get a rerun, and as well will Matt. So we'll have a couple of reruns to go in just a bit. It's a pretty wrap though on the car. Blackbird wraps and vinyl doing their thing as they always do. Since they're the ones that wrap my Corvettes. Side doing a fantastic job, one of the best wrappers on the West Coast. Overwood Family Racing, Overwood guys, the Fry guys are in town this weekend. We saw them in E Street in just a bit, or earlier. Nice to hear Miatas on the rev limiter, always fun. So a couple of reruns before we get back into B Street action. One of our foci, Matt will have the rerun along with Sean. Workers, workers, workers. You should probably check in before the course walk. So workers, workers, workers for heat 3 if you want to check in before the course walk. Second does Todd, as that will retake the lead away from Doug, who we'll see up here in second.